Everybody, this is George with Melnick's Automotive. In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair a key. This is a Nissan Altima. It's a smart proximity key. As you can see, the button is missing, and the problem is it's not just a button. It's a little push button switch that's inside the key that's damaged, and I'm going to show you how to replace it. I do have a key. It's another key. It looks the same, but this is not a Nissan Altima. This is, I think, Nissan Pathfinder. The thing of it is, it's an extra key that I have, and I cannot program this key. So basically, this key will never work on this car, and it's an extra spare key. So what I'm going to have to do, I'm definitely going to go ahead and use the cover. It's a little nicer cover. All the buttons match. So that's that. But the thing of it is, what I'm going to show you, what's going on inside here. I'm going to remove the circuit board. I'm going to show you the switches on the other side. Okay. So these are the very little push button switches. As you can see, we only need one of them. Because in my key, I'm going to take this key apart. I'm going to show you. Here's what happened. I don't know if my camera is doing its justice, but as you can see, it's basically gone, and my unlock feature is not working. If I purchase a new key, it's about 130 bucks plus programming, so I'm looking way over 200 bucks. This key didn't cost me anything, and you could always pick one up on eBay for parts if you have the skills to do something like this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a hot soldering iron, I'm going to desolder one of the switches, and I'm going to put it on this circuit board right here. Soldering station just like this, and I'm going to go ahead and remove one of these switches. Alright, so here's what I did. I went ahead and removed the switch from the top. These switches are all the same, so I just took the switch from the top. This is where the switch is, and I had to use tweezers right here. And this is my old broken switch right here. I couldn't videotape myself, removing it, because I just doing it with one hand, so I had to use both of my hands. And now, as you can see, this is where the broken switch was. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this switch right here, and I'm going to go ahead and solder it back on the circuit board right there. I'm going to solder that back up there. The button works now. I don't know if you can hear it click, but it's working. Now we have a button. And that's my parts. I end up taking another one out as a spare because I messed one up. This is it. So it took me 2 tries, but I got it done. So now I'm going to put everything back together, and we got ourselves a good working key fob again. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now, I took my new case that looks just like this, and I'm going to go ahead and, as you can see, that's my little button that I soldered in, and it works. You can hear it click. So right now I'm going to put it all back together, and you could hear it definitely click now. So I'm going to go ahead and put the key all back together. Okay, and now security key slides right in. This key is done. As you can see, it's perfectly good working button now. Well, that's how you repair if you have a broken key button on your Nissan or any Infiniti key. It could be Acura. This is pretty much trash. I'm going to throw it out. I might save it for if somebody has an issue with any other buttons. I might be able to use those. But this is what happened. As you could see, this is the original piece. This is the original switch that was completely broken off, and there's actually a little hole in the rubber piece. So that's it for this video. This was George with Melnick's Automotive. That's how you repair any Nissan, Infiniti, or any push button key if you have an issue with the switch. Thanks for watching.